In today's rapidly advancing world, technology has become the cornerstone of innovation in nearly every field. But nowhere is this transformation more profound than in healthcare. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat diseases, saving lives, improving outcomes, and reshaping the future of medicine. Imagine being able to detect lung cancer, one of the deadliest cancers worldwide, in its earliest stages. Or detecting the early signs of melanoma, one of the most common forms of skin cancer. AI systems, trained on millions of X-rays, CT scans and other medical images, are now capable of identifying subtle abnormalities that even the most experienced radiologists or histologists might miss. These algorithms are not only faster but are continuously improving, learning from every scan they analyze. For example, the use of AI in detecting pulmonary nodules in high-risk patients has been shown to reduce misdiagnoses significantly, providing a critical edge in early detection. AI tools and advanced machine learning algorithms are already assisting healthcare professionals in diagnosing diseases with unparalleled precision. Breast cancer, another leading cause of mortality, tells a similar story. AI-powered mammogram analysis tools are being deployed to assist radiologists in identifying potentially cancerous tissue. With accuracy levels now matching, and in some cases surpassing, those of human experts, these tools are reducing false positives and negatives, ensuring more women receive accurate diagnoses and timely treatment. Beyond mammograms, AI is also being used in ultrasound and MRI diagnostics, where algorithms can identify atypical tissue growth and suggest targeted biopsy locations, further improving diagnostic efficiency. The power of AI doesn't stop there. AI is being used in the diagnosis of a wide range of conditions, from diabetic retinopathy to cardiovascular diseases. In ophthalmology, AI systems like IDXDR are FDA approved for detecting diabetic retinopathy without the need for a specialist. Similarly, cardiologists are leveraging AI to analyze echocardiograms, detecting heart valve abnormalities and early signs of heart failure. These machine learning algorithms are identifying patterns in complex datasets that were once thought too intricate for human comprehension. In dermatology, AI tools are being used to evaluate skin lesions, distinguishing between benign moles and malignant melanomas with remarkable accuracy. But what does this mean for trained medical professionals? Will AI replace doctors altogether? The answer lies in collaboration rather than competition.
Although AI and machine learning provide powerful tools for clinical analysis and diagnosis, it's not a replacement for human expertise. It assists healthcare professionals by analyzing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. But the ultimate decisions about patient care and treatment require empathy, judgment, and experience. If you were a patient receiving important medical care, would you be happy with a machine making the ultimate decisions about your health and your future?
AI has the potential to enhance the capabilities of doctors, rather than replacing them. It frees up valuable time by automating routine tasks, allowing doctors to focus on what they do best: caring for their patients. In rural or underserved areas, where access to specialists is limited, AI has the potential to fill critical gaps, bringing world-class diagnostics to those who need it most. For instance, in sub-Saharan Africa, AI-powered mobile platforms are being used to screen for cervical cancer, bringing life-saving interventions to women who might otherwise have no access to healthcare. The future of AI in healthcare is bright, filled with opportunities to improve lives on an unprecedented scale, while challenges remain, such as ensuring data privacy and addressing ethical concerns. The potential benefits are undeniable. Together, humans and machines are not just diagnosing disease, they are building a healthier, more hopeful future for everyone. Thank you for exploring the extraordinary possibilities of AI in healthcare. Because the future isn't just coming, it's already here. Please like, share and follow Science Curious.